Hello, welcome to my channel. My name is Aurea and this is DIY with Aurea. Today I am participating in a collaboration, What Would You Make? Host OK at Home DIY with Zaina, Connie's Creative Creations with Connie, and guest host Creating It Myself with La Parsha. I'll have the playlist down in my description box along with all the other creators that are participating. Please make sure to visit them and give them a lots of love. And beginning with the first DIY, I have this big white bottle that I'm going to be painting with Rust-Oleum white paint. And this is Diva. So now it's completely dry. So I have these tumbling blocks or Jenga blocks and also the square blocks that you also find at Dollar Tree. So I'm just hot gluing them and I'm going to put them in the bottom of this bottle and I will be alternating. And this is how it looks. I also have this ribbon from Amazon and I will be putting it on the neck of this bottle with some hot glue. And this is how it looks so far. Now I purchased this big roll. It looks like twine, but it's not. If you know the name, can you please leave it in the comments section? I purchased this at a secondhand store for $1. So I'm gonna be wrapping this twice around the Jenga blocks. This DIY was nice and simple. I truly did enjoy it and I hope you enjoy it too. I'm very excited because I'm going to create my own logo. I purchased this wood plaque at Hobby Lobby for $16.99 and it is 19.5 inches. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to start by painting it with this acrylic paint from Dollar Tree and the color is lavender. I'll give it one coat. So now that it's completely dry, I'm coming in with this black chalk paint also from Dollar Tree and I will be painting the border. I'll be giving it one coat. So I went to my Cricut Joy and I printed DIY with Aurea. And as most of you know, this is my logo, DIY with Aurea, and I love the way this turned out. I'll be able to put it up on my studio, so I'm very happy and satisfied the way this turned out. Leave me in the comment section what you think about this. And for the next DIY, I have this glass cylinder that I am going to be turning it into a lantern. I have these bamboo sticks that came from Amazon. I'm going to be cutting them exactly to the size of the cylinder, but I'm not going to get rid of the smaller piece because I am also going to be using that as well. I'll be hot gluing the longer bamboo sticks to the cylinder. And now the smaller or the shorter bamboo sticks, I'm going to be putting them in between the long ones. Now you can cut this whatever size you want. It would be up to you, but I decided to cut it as long as the cylinder because I think it looks beautiful and it looks really nice and classy. What do you think? And now using the same, I'm gonna call it string because I don't know the name of it. I apologize for that. And again, if you know the name of it, please leave it in my comment section. I'm gonna be wrapping it around twice in the middle, twice in the bottom, and twice on top. I got this shoestring from Dollar Tree. I'm going to be doubling it and then I'm just going to go ahead and twist it many times just to make sure that it looks nice and thick. And then I'm going to go ahead and hot glue it. And once again, I want to remind you that this is a collaboration with these beautiful and talented ladies. Make sure that you visit them. The playlist is down in my description box. Make sure to visit that playlist as soon as you finish watching this video. And don't forget to give them a lot of love. And let me know what you think about this DIY. And for the next DIY, I got this frame from a garage sale. I think I bought like 8 of them. And I'm going to continue with these bamboo sticks. And I also have a galvanized pig. Now I'm laying down these bamboo sticks an inch apart. And then what I'm going to start doing is I'm going to measure where the sticks are going to be glued in. And I'm putting a dot of hot glue. So now I'm going to go ahead and put more hot glue to the other end. And once that is completely glued in, I'm going to come in and I'm going to cut whatever is left over of that bamboo stick. I'll just go ahead and cut that to size. So now that this is glued in, I'm going to come in and I'm going to start working on this galvanized pig. I'm going to go ahead and give it one coat of black chalk paint, but before then I'm going to use some Scotch tape to cover these little holes. And now I'll just go ahead and proceed with the black paint, and again I will give it one coat. So I'll go ahead and put this gentleman to the side, and I'm coming in with this white chalk paint, and then the frame I'm going to go ahead and paint the entire thing in white. So now I'm going to go ahead and proceed to glue the pig on top of that bamboo sticks with some hot glue. this beautiful ribbon from Michaels. I'm going to take these white flowers and with a little bit of hot glue, I'm going to glue them right under this beautiful black and white bow. So I wanted to do an extra step, and I took some more bamboo sticks and I'm like, okay, I'm gonna paint them in white. But then I looked at the frame and I'm like, no, it has enough white. So let me go ahead and retrieve that and come back with some black chalk paint. And then I went and I gave it one coat to all 4 pieces, and you'll see why. Now the bamboo sticks are completely dry, so I'm going to come in with some hot glue and I'm going to start hot gluing all 4 bamboo sticks around the frame. Let me know what you think about this DIY. I am loving it. Let me know in the comment section which is your favorite so far. I also have some jute twine and some black and white beads, and I will be gluing it in the back of the frame, and like that we could display it on the wall. I also added a little sticker that says farmhouse to the peg. So I received this cutting board as a gift. I'm gonna be giving it a makeover. I have these blocks from Dollar Tree, and I'm gonna go ahead and stain them with this golden oak color. And then later on I'm coming in with a baby wipe and I'm going to be wiping them off. Now the blocks are completely dry, and I'm putting a little bit of hot glue on all 4, and these are the legs. I have these transferable stickers that I bought at Dollar Tree, and I'm going to be transferring these leaves. This is the only thing that I'm going to be adding on top of the cutting board, only because I want to make sure that this is food safe. I hope you enjoy these beautiful DIYs. If you are still here, you are a pro. You made it to the end of my video. I hope you consider subscribing. Don't forget to let me know which one was your favorite. And again, don't forget to go down to the description box and visit my playlist with all those wonderful creators. And I will also leave you some more videos right up here. Don't forget, if you have not subscribed, I would love to have you as part of my channel. I will see you in the next one. Adios.